What'd you find, Harry?
Found that the throw-out bearing here, the collar it rides on, it's got a crack in it. It's got a big metal burr sticking up, not letting it go back all the way. Let's see if we can show you here. Right there. There's a roll pin in there that's trying to come through it. I'm gonna have to get that fixed. And then on the bottom side of it, that one making a little noise. That one's making a lot of noise.
You got play in the rod bearings. Dang, that's a lot of play. Alright.
That's where her noise is. Do you need the little copper piece?
I don't think so, but it might help. Kind of doing stitches in it. Well, Larry's been working on it most of the day and has welded up the tracks, and I came over and gave him a hand with some of them, and welded up the track on that side and the back, and straightened up all the weak spots in the body. And then, like this weld back here, we zipped it up, and we're going to go to cleaning some of this other stuff and getting some of the little things so the body isn't weak. And he's welded up some spots that came out real good, and we're gonna go around and clean them up, and then we're gonna, well, it's gonna come out cool.
Rolling.
Okay. Alright, taking the, as you can see, I already took the handles off, everything here. If you zoom in here, George, you can actually see what the color of this car actually was at one point in time. It was actually a nice black. You can catch a little bit of it on the inside too, inside of the door. But I'm popping the windows out. You can see we pretty much gutted the whole thing. It's a pretty simple setup when it comes to the windows. But you can see we got everything gutted out. It didn't have any carpet. Nice wood, but it's only held on with four bolts, 4 screws, whatever. And pop them out. Pull this over. This will come out, and then this will come right out. I'll show you here in a second. Magic. But okay, have fun. Enjoy your day. Voila. out. See, that's the one that came out of the rear.
This is the one that came out of the passenger side.
Yep.
Front.
Yep. So I mean, it's basically, there's not much of a difference here.
Windows already come out as well.
Yeah, but for being, I don't know if these are original windows or not, but they've definitely been in there for quite some time. They're in half decent shape, if you ask me.
Yeah.
This has some chips right here, but for the most part, we're gonna put them back in. The customer wants everything to be as original as possible. We might. It's got some chips and stuff up here. We might actually replace this one, maybe. If I had to guess, if you look at this inside right here, you look at the inside of this one is definitely a newer version of a window. See that? This is a two-piece. See what I'm saying?
Got it.
And then this here, this is a single pane is what it looks like. So this is definitely a newer version. And then we're getting all this stuff out because we're going to give this a nice little bath. Try to save as much of the patina as possible, but we gotta get some of this rust off. Some of the scaly stuff you can see. I'm not sure where. If it's, you can see a little bit of scaling in certain areas. Like right in here, you can feel it. Scale right here. We're gonna try to clean and get all this major shit off, but the customer wants the patina to remain. So tomorrow we're gonna spend most of the day probably getting wet.